Welcome to Critical Reviews. Today we're diving into the Yltimer portable washing machine. While it promises convenience and efficiency, we've found some reasons that might make you think twice before purchasing. Let's get started. Reason number 8. The 16-liter capacity sounds generous, but in reality, it's only suitable for small loads. If you're washing a family's worth of laundry, you might find yourself doing multiple cycles, which defeats the purpose of a portable machine. Reason number 7. The energy-saving feature is a nice touch, but the machine still consumes more power than expected for its size. You might end up paying more on your electricity bill than you bargained for. Reason number 6. The noise reduction motor is supposed to keep things quiet, but it still sounds like a mini jet engine during operation. If you're hoping for a peaceful laundry experience, you might want to reconsider. Reason number 5. While the foldable design is marketed as a space saver, it can be cumbersome to set up and take down. If you're in a hurry, you might find it more of a hassle than a convenience. Reason number 4. The control panel is touted as user-friendly, but the buttons can be unresponsive at times. You might find yourself pressing them multiple times, which can be frustrating. Reason number 3. The washing performance is underwhelming. While it claims to mimic hand washing, many users report that stains remain after a cycle, leaving you to wash items by hand anyway. Reason number 2. The build quality is questionable. Made from ABS plastic, it feels flimsy and not particularly durable. You might worry about its longevity after just a few uses. And finally, reason number 1. The price point. At around $60, you might expect a bit more bang for your buck. Unfortunately, the Yltimer portable washing machine doesn't deliver the value you'd hope for. So there you have it. 8 reasons why the Yltimer portable washing machine might not be the best choice for your laundry needs. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more critical reviews.